lovely people at home. My name is Andrea and tonight I want to talk about something important around this time of year. Christmas traditions. We are all from different walks of life. Some of us live on farms, some of us come from cities, some of us have family across the globe, and some of us are from right here in Baltimore. I consider myself a hybrid. I was born in New Jersey. I'm half Filipina. I'm half Japanese. I have family in Australia, and I'm from Jersey City, New Jersey, which is a very urban setting. So you can imagine what kind of a Christmas I'm used to celebrating. Oh, you're not. Okay, let me explain. Every Christmas Eve, my family goes on a Christmas Eve Mass about 5 p.m. Later on that night, we open our Christmas presents around 10, and around 11 is what we call a Noche Buena. That's our Christmas Eve meal or a Christmas Eve snack. That's what makes it Asian American. But the thing that makes it urban is that my sister and I, after everyone has fallen asleep, we stay up and we look out the windows to see if any bad people have stolen presents that haven't been taken in from the mail yet. We see if there are naughty kids trying to throw rocks at Santa Claus. Oh boy, what a time. So the next day, around noon, we go to my uncle's house, and we just go there and we turn on our webcams, we video chat our family in Melbourne, Australia, and it's like they're joining our party as we're joining theirs. It's like we never left each other. And then the night carries on with some good old-fashioned Filipino karaoke, me retreating to my cousin's room to go watch some Christmas movies. Maybe we'll watch some Marvel movies. We'll just binge it all. And while we do that, we normally stuff our faces with Filipino ube cake and Japanese mochi rice balls. And that's about it. That's just my Christmas tradition. And everyone has a different way of celebrating Christmas. Like, oh wait. Hey, over there. Laura, yeah, come, sit down. Quick, hello, quick, tell me about your family's Christmas traditions.
Well, we're British, so we make mincemeat pies, and they're delicious and fantastic and a wonderful dessert. We also have Christmas crackers, which include crowns and little toy kits for the kids.
Oh, that is so nice. And there you have it, 2 different Christmases, one from an Australasian American hood girl and one from a British American girl. Can Christmas get any better than this?
You been to Miracle on 34th Street yet?
Miracle on 34th Street? What kind of miracle is this? Should I be scared?
No, it's the light exhibition in Hamden. You're telling me you've been?
No, I haven't.
Oh my gosh, well we should go right now.
You're telling me, is this a Baltimore Christmas tradition?
Of course.
You know what? You're giving me good ideas. I gotta go. So the Miracle on 34th Street is a Baltimore Christmas tradition that was started by a man named Bob Hosier. When he was a boy, he hung up some lights on his front lawn, and a little girl across from him started doing that to her front lawn. And then the whole 700 block of neighborhood followed suit after. And they've been doing this ever since the mid-40s. And the nice story ending of this is that Bob and the little girl across the street got married 25 years after he started.
Love it.
It's nice. So how does it make you feel to come here?
Warm and fuzzy.
Here every year.
This is part of Christmas.
It's part of Christmas.
It's the thing to do for Christmas.
It's like something you have to do for the holidays. Like you have to do it for Christmas. You can't not know that 34th Street is lit up and you don't come or you don't bring the kids. So it's always like a tradition to do.
Oh, so now you share it with the kids?
Yes, I do. My own 2 little girls over there running around.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
How do you think they're enjoying it?
The screaming, the yelling, the smiling, and the laughing seems like they really like it. They said it's amazing.
We come every year. My husband brought me, we had just started dating actually about 10 years ago, and he brought me here, and I'd never seen anything like it. I thought it was super cool. It's just very impressive, and it's a very cool community thing that they do it all together. So we started coming every year, and now that we have our kids, it's a tradition for them, which is really nice. So even though we know what it's going to look like every year, they still get excited, which is nice.
Yeah, every night on his walk, we take him here, and he loves it because there's always lots of people here, and everyone likes a snow dog in the wintertime, so he gets a lot of attention and has a good time. So
you see, it's not even just people that enjoy the celebration, it's the dogs.
Yeah, definitely. And sometimes there's lots of dogs here, in which case it can get kind of hectic. But, when it's a bit quieter like it is now, he has a good time.
I interviewed several people tonight. People ranging from young and old, people coming from far and wide, people who come to the Hamden Lights every single year, and people who are experiencing it for the first time. Whether it was a new experience for them or not, whether they are from far or wide, almost everybody gave the same reaction. The lights made them feel happy and made them think about their families, and it just put them in the Christmas spirit, and honestly, what more could you want around this time of year? The lights truly are a magical thing for everyone and anyone to experience. And if you don't have any specific Christmas traditions, you can always start a new one. And from our studio to your home, have a wonderful holiday season. I'm Andrea. Good night.